In today's video, I'm going to be talking about a story of how I made over $500 from a small account and blew it all in just a day. It all started in 2020. That was the year I started learning how to trade. So a particular day, I funded $30. I was trading the synthetic indices market. I funded $30 and I was looking to scale that account up. Like then you'd be seeing crazy flips online, people doing crazy stuff. Those the guy, so he flipped like $50 to over $1 million. One South African trader then. I don't know, he's nowhere to be found now. So yeah, we don't know if it was real or fake. So all those things inspired me. You know, when you see some things online, you'll be inspired that yeah, I can do this stuff too. So that was how I was feeling. So I funded $30, trading it normally, not really focusing too much on leverage, just following the trend. That was just what I was doing then. So this account was $30. The starting balance was $30. I took some trade and I jumped out some trade. I blew this account to $5. From $30, I blew the account to $5. From $5, I took a risky trade, blew it to $3. Not really blue because they're around the same range. So when the account was on $3, I'm like, okay, what am I going to do now? I've literally blown this account already. I have to fund. But I started scalping and trying to scale the account up. I took the account to $40. I'm like, okay, we're back. We are back. So the next thing I did, I took a specific trade and really add crazy positions to that stuff. Then I'm like, okay, this account, I'm going to try and flip this account now with this trade. Because I tried flipping before, blew it to $5. I was now, okay, let me do this stuff again. So that trade, I held that trade overnight. I was up $100, I was up 200, 210. I went to bed, woke up the next day, and I checked the account balance, and we were up over $500. We're up over $500. Guess what I did next? Instead of me to close the trade and leave some position or whatever, because I wasn't even looking at the chart. I was just looking at the numbers on the screen, seeing the numbers go up. I wasn't bothered about structure, nothing like that. I already knew the trend was bullish and I was just buying and stuff. That was it. So what I did next was crazy. Instead of me to just close the trade and move, I added more positions to this trade, trying to go to like over $1,000 in profit. That was so dumb of me, and like instead of me to just close, take my money and go, I added more positions to that trade. Then I let the trade run a bit. Then when I looked at the chart again, we're down 300. So I just panicked and closed all the positions. Then when I saw we're down 300, what was the next thing I did? I kept on trading, trying to go back to that $500 and higher. That was what I was just doing. And you know what happened next? I blew, and I was over leveraging. I was over leveraging before, but this time the leverage was even insane. It was even insane. This because I traded and traded and traded and lost and lost and lost. And the last money in the account was $100. So that $100, I just got pissed off. I reduced the $100, bought some clothes for myself, and I said bye-bye to trading that period. So that remaining days of 2020, I didn't trade. Then 2021 came before I came back. And yeah, that's another story for another day. But yeah, that was how I grew $5 to 500 and blew it all in a day. Yeah, thanks for watching, and do well to leave positive comments and subscribe for more stories like this.